Hi guys, welcome to TFA Files TV. We are back again with the latest gossip nyaya dziri kupisa dziri kutenderera pasocial media. Holy 10 akarohwa kutanga achafa kuZvishavane. See.
Holy 10,
Asi mujaya azotaura side of story yake ine zvakaitika kuZvishavane.
I was only 10 leader to use figure of truth. I couldn't even go anywhere else because you never know what I say. Never is rago. You know, sometimes you go out there and try to express yourself and other my subscribers. Sometimes you try to express yourself and that one controversial statement that will just turn everything around. But I've got things that are really concerning, things that are going on. I just feel like it's just time to talk about it. This isn't right. This is what I'm about to show you. This isn't right. I don't know what to That's the honest truth. And it's bad. It's very bad. No. Yeah, I worked so hard. I'll tell you about the Risky Life 2 album. I don't even have to start about where we came from. The Risky Life 2 album wasn't something that was so easy for us. There is not a person, not a company, not an individual, not an entity, not a corporate, not a brand that gave me a cent and said, we'll take $10 and go and work on this album. So, you know, when you try to destroy that which we work for, to say easy, even at this level where people think it's gonna come easy. When I was playing guitars, try everything, and we had to, my weekends, we had to go to my shows, you get there, you know, there's the biggest problem that's happening right now with my shows. There's probably 3 of you, 4 of you that
I'm sure amazvinzwira mega zvachitaurwa namujaya asi vamwe vanhu vari kudedzera kuti aiwa Holy 10 akatadza akapefomera makorokoza for 10 minutes instead of 2 hours saka paiva kuenda akarohwa kutanga achafa asi Holy 10 naye auya akaexplaina side of story yake vazukuru vambuya naenda vataura zvakawanda zvakasiyana-siyana. Mumwe munhu auya akati haana kana basa uyu, mumwe munhu akati shame, I hope is okay, mumwe munhu akati good news, mumwe munhu akati amama zvake, mumwe munhu akati respect your elders unozviwanza, mumwe munhu akati ane manyemwe ngarohwe, mumwe munhu akati anotukirira vababa vedu, mumwe munhu akati well done, thank you so much.